Welcome, everyone! Today, we're diving into a world of groundbreaking innovations and sustainable solutions in the construction and infrastructure realm. From revolutionary building techniques to eco-friendly materials, each segment promises to captivate your interest. Join us on this journey as we explore cutting-edge technologies, environmental consciousness, and the future of construction. Don't miss out! Let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Assembling a roof and house frame within 24 hours without scaffolding becomes a straightforward task when this New Zealand company takes on the project. The founder conceived the idea during a break at a construction site. Why take the risk of working at heights when you can simply commence with the roof and then elevate it using specialized jacks? The outcome was a technology that enhances construction safety and speed, while also aligning with the standard practice of constructing houses with 2-3 floors. Everyone benefits. Workers experience reduced fatigue, owners save on scaffolding, safety nets and struts, and the company founder accrues profits and accolades, notably for innovations in the realm of safety. And this paving stone narrates a tale not only of speed but also of environmental consciousness. Production involves the use of plastic and tires. For a 500 square foot courtyard, the latter required approximately 250 pieces. The grid on which the paving stones are arranged is a patented solution that enables a 40% faster workflow. If new coverings are applied in residential areas, the manufacturer provides a lifetime guarantee against cracking, and installation can be directly on top of the old concrete. Additionally, since the tiles are available in 3 sizes from 4 by 4 inches and 5 colors, the design possibilities are solely limited by the imagination of the buyers. A company in Australia has developed concrete mats for erosion control. It is feasible to cover an area of about 11,000 square feet with them in just one day. The efficiency is genuinely groundbreaking. 1 truckload of such mats is equal to 20 truckloads of rocks. In comparison to solutions crafted from monolithic concrete, the work will progress 20 times faster. Additionally, the mats are 3/4 recycled. Hence, it also earns high marks in the environmental sustainability category. Continuing with the Australian theme, there are innovative flooring solutions known as LOCPod. On the official website, they directly highlight the advantages. Firstly, the blocks are lightweight, with the 47 by 47 by 6 inch version weighing 9 pounds. They are also easy to stack, allowing the entire batch to be delivered in many cases. Secondly, the blocks provide a comfortable walking surface, and their coating is matte, ensuring comfort even on sunny days for builders. Thirdly, the manufacturer recycles about 3,000 tons of plastic annually. The blocks give this material a second life. Approximately 80% of wood chips consist of Portland cement and mineral additives. This forms the essence of Durasol. Invented in the last century, Durasol blocks are still popular today and are ideal for constructing flower beds. A set of 16 blocks, sized at 47 by 47 by 31.5 inches, is priced at $413. While it may be considered costly, it is both eco-friendly and practical. The beds are lightweight, frost-resistant, and breathable. From minor drips during maintenance to substantial spills resulting from broken valves, modern trains are susceptible to leaks from cars, tanks, and locomotives. Fortunately, the innovation of composite pallets has addressed this issue. These pallets can be directly placed on the sleepers without any prior preparation. With a length of 20 feet, they can be effortlessly connected and combined with options like absorbent mats, drainage, and grids to filter solids. Simultaneously, the height of the pallets is approximately 5 inches, allowing them to serve as enduring solutions even at track crossings. Moreover, they have a lifespan of about 20–30 years. Latest information from Finland. They have developed carbon-negative concrete blocks. Regular blocks emit CO2, whereas these blocks capture it. Over their service life, they pledge 132 pounds per cubic meter. The technology has not yet reached widespread use, but it holds great potential if optimized for various forms. These blocks are specifically designed for constructing buildings and retaining walls, proving durable for over 10 years, even under heavy loads. The primary material is steel C355, commonly used in earth-moving equipment and elevators. A form measuring 63 by 31.5 by 31.5 inches weighs 595 pounds and is assembled with utmost simplicity. The asking price for one building block is $1,800. Once in northern Italy, one of the bridge spans collapsed due to flooding, prompting the need for swift action, especially since the alternative route traversed 9 miles of mountainous terrain. The local authorities faced this challenge with surprise. Within a mere 12 days, they orchestrated the construction of a doubler bridge, measuring 180 feet in length and 23 feet in width. The Acro, a modular system designed for such scenarios, facilitated the rapid construction, allowing for the creation of even 3-lane bridges. Consequently, the old bridge was quietly closed for an extensive multi-year reconstruction. In case adverse weather conditions impact another area, the Acro supplier will possess superior alternatives. For instance, the Delta model enables the construction of spans reaching up to 328 feet. This lengthier 35-day bridge, named Striatus, is distinguished not by speed but by the incorporation of cutting-edge technology and an environmentally responsible approach. Notably, Striatus stands as the world's inaugural 3D printed concrete bridge devoid of mortar and reinforcement. Since 2021, it has been delighting guests and residents in Venice. Comprising 53 hollow blocks, the structure relies on compression and clever geometry for support. However, this 52.5-foot marvel is exclusively designed for pedestrians. Remarkably, all the blocks were 3D printed in 3.5 days using a 6-axis robocar. The material is equally intriguing. Specifically developed for this bridge, experts from the world's largest cement producer in Switzerland engineered concrete ink. Following is a solution from the Netherlands that enables a quick and simple reinforcement of the facade. The innovation lies in the insulation boards, which come equipped with built-in brackets. This, combined with a unique connection system, reduces installation time by up to 50%. It is user-friendly and manageable even for solo workers. The insulation board consists of 98% air, resulting in some sizes weighing less than 7 pounds. They can be covered with siding or brickwork. These boards are resistant to rot and mold, and they can withstand pressure. They are also easy to cut and allow for the repositioning of brackets, ensuring no issues with corners, roofs, doors, and windows. One of the challenges faced by builders is expressed as follows. The soil exhibits inadequate bearing capacity. To tackle this issue, vertical drains are utilized. In simpler terms, excess water is extracted from the soil, allowing it to settle and thereby improving the bearing capacity. An example on the screen provides insight into the scale and speed involved. This scenario unfolds in Malaysia at a site designated for a forthcoming power plant. The installation of approximately 13 million feet of drainage pipes took slightly less than 2 months. The pipes extend to a depth of 88.5 feet, with a mere 3-foot spacing between them. Here, the scale is already smaller. These inspection wells are also suitable for modest private projects. They aid in swiftly examining and cleaning the pipeline and are installed in domestic rainwater and mixed sewerage systems. They are available in traditional internal diameters up to 3 feet. All necessary elements are included, including a ladder with 16 inches wide, non-slip steps. Every detail is meticulously considered. For instance, the platform will be pleased with a slope of 4 degrees, ensuring water does not stagnate and work is comfortable. And over a span of 50 years, the vertical deformation of the bottom will be only 2.3%, twice lower than that allowed by regulations. Once upon a time, an experienced builder named Aaron George took on the task of constructing foundations and quickly realized that dealing with formwork could be simplified. However, he couldn't find an off-the-shelf solution for this, so he created his own. Thus, the Pro Brace system was born. It reduces the wastage of boards by 70–90% and allows for precise work down to the inch. Finish the formwork 50% faster. Most importantly, it brings satisfaction to customers. And of course, the system can be reused multiple times, eliminating the need for a mountain of discarded wooden pegs. The only drawback is that the cost is not specified. Since the creator is from New Zealand, shipping expenses might be significant. These panels are touted as the woolen socks for your home, with the seller promising not only comfort, but also savings of up to 30% on electricity bills. Each panel is enveloped with an 8-inch layer of thermal insulation, allowing you to operate the heating system at less than full speed and supply water at around 35 degrees Celsius. The panels can be placed directly on the concrete, eliminating the need for screed. Moreover, the curing time can be as short as 3–4 weeks, contributing to additional cost savings. Additionally, the panels are versatile, suitable for both walls and roofs. Environmentally conscious individuals will be pleased to know that the energy savings also result in reduced CO2 emissions. European countries consistently update records not just for temperature, but also for rainfall. In 2021, Italy stood out. Over 12 hours, 29 inches of rain fell in the Liguria region. In comparison, the average annual rainfall there is typically 19 inches. Thus, effective drainage poses a challenge for both authorities and private individuals. Fortunately, the market provides options for every preference and budget. For instance, this one is applicable even in parking lots, offering as many as 8 variants of outlet holes. Meanwhile, competitors from Swift Drain rely on fiber concrete, which is up to 20 times more durable than its counterparts, with a 10-year warranty. In conclusion, the future of construction and infrastructure is here, and these innovations are transforming the industry. From the speed and safety of building frameworks without scaffolding to environmentally conscious solutions like AZEK pavers and earthlock mats, each invention contributes to a sustainable and efficient future. Whether it's the eco-friendly Durasol blocks, composite pallets for railroad spill containment, or the revolutionary carbon-negative concrete blocks from Beaten Block, these technologies are paving the way for a greener and smarter construction landscape. Embrace the future, build responsibly, and stay tuned for more groundbreaking innovations in the world of construction. Thank you for joining us on this journey.